Good afternoon, good evening. How are you? Good evening. How are you? I'm a language learner. That's why I'm here. Which part are you in India? Okay, I'm from Odisha. Nice to meet you. I am not a student. I'm not an employee. I'm just homemaker. Yep. Thank you. What do you do? Mhm. Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Wow. So advance all the best. And what kind of job are you searching? You get that job as soon as possible. May God bless you. And what's your qualification? Okay, what was your branch name? Okay, mechanical engineering. Okay, which field have you worked in there? Which field? Right now you are okay. Right now you are looking in IT sector job, right? Have you appeared in them? Have you appeared any interview? It's okay. Okay, no issue. In future, you will get a good job, better than that previous sector, right? And yeah, of course, definitely, you should not demotivate yourself. Okay, you didn't eligible that post or that job, but you learned so many things through interview, right? You can update yourself. Okay, you tell how long have you been using this platform? Yeah, because you are also free user, I am also free user. This platform provides 25 minutes for free user. Yeah, per day and free user also. Yeah. No, it is not true. I have installed in this platform 16 days ago. Still I'm in learning. Then but you, if you connect with the premium user, that's when you cannot lose your time 25 minutes. Or if you connect with free user, that's when you may lose your free times 25 minutes. Right now we are talking each other and both are free user, right? Then we both use our timing, because if you connect with any premium user, then that's when you can't lose your time. Yeah, then it's better. This platform is a better no issue if you connect with premium user or if you connect with free user, but we get 25 minutes to interact with anyone, right? It is enough for us. And if you want to purchase this platform premium, then you can do it. You get a unlimited call and you connect with others co-learner and you practice with them, you interact with them freely, unlimited time. I met so many premium user. I asked question means how is it work and how they get benefit, this kind of. You can talk, you can miss. I think anyone can afford this kind of fees. I think so. 400, 500, 1200 people they purchase and they interact with, they practice their language. Some people are they want to go to abroad and they want to appear IELTS exam. Some people they want to enhance their communication because they are working in different sector, right? And communication is important and we get chance to interact with anyone through platform. Yeah. Okay, tell me, miss, apart from this platform, do you talk with anyone in English offline? Okay, okay, okay. Mhm. Mhm. Right, because it is a good platform. You get a so many well-educated people are also here, and everyone wants to enhance their language, and you get a, so many co-learner. They and you get also fluent speaker here. So many people involved in this platform, not only beginner, advanced learner also here, and they want to enhance their language because you know language always required daily practice, right? It is not our mother tongue. If you don't talk with anyone regularly, you maybe lose your fluency and confidence, right? Then we have to interact in this kind of free platform is a better for us. We never get chance to interact with anyone in 24 hours in English, right? Because we are Indian. We have a different, yeah, we are Indian, we have a different languages. Right. Right, right. That's why we get chance to interact with anyone through free platform. And thank God who create in this kind of platform. It is good for everyone. Even though you can't join any kind of language institute, right? And language institute you never get everywhere, right? Rural people also they can get chance to interact with anyone. They can learn at home, and some people they don't have any kind of language partner. All language learner they always complain, right? I don't have atmosphere, I don't have language partner. How can I improve my language? How can I interact with the other people? And they worried about to enhance their language, right? Then in this kind of free platform help us to interact with anyone and we can learn easily in this kind of means language. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Right now, you know, we all are Indian. Winter season is going on, right? Yeah. Then we little no, it is not a sunny, not too much means shivering. It's okay. We can manage and we can control means tolerate this kind of cold. But morning time little bit we feel like a cold and evening time little bit we feel cold. If you go to outside then in this day people never feel this kind of cold because they wear so many woolen clothes, right? And they protect themselves. Yeah, rural people little bit they face this kind of issue because they don't have means low poverty people. They don't have a means woolen clothes or this kind of sweater shawl and different type of. But in this day, you see everyone they have, right? They can protect themselves. Yeah. Right now, I think you are in outside, right? Are you in outside? Right now, are you in outside? Okay. Then you told you are preparing in exam interview, right? In IT sector. Do you take miss advice from any tutor or miss guider or mentor? Do you have any mentor who actually guides you how to miss crack that interview and how to get that job? Right. Have you joined any coaching center to take a advice or learn something? Hmm. Right. Mhm. Right. 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 Okay, apart from IT sector, do you wanna means join in different sector if you get chance? Hmm. Okay. Government job. Okay. I got your point. First of all, you want to focus only a IT sector. You want to do this job in that sector, right? And if you want to collect so many experience, what is work in inside the IT sector, right? Because IT sector means department, they always make a leaders, right? And if you have good communication, yeah, if you have a good communication and if you have a good means personality or if you have a good leadership quality inside, then definitely you lead your destination, right? Then that IT sector people always make a leadership employee inside, and everyone this kind of they do it, right? And they get promotion because of if they achieve this kind of stuff means their rule regulation, and if you have a good attitude and if you have a good leadership quality, you can achieve your target or something, then you can do it. After that you can change. If you want to change your profession in future, then you can do it because degree, you have a degree on your hand, right? You may be eligible all kind of sector, but you have to prepare. Right, right. You tell me one. Uh-huh. Pardon? Okay. Do you wanna leave or what? I for Miss what wanted to tell me. I forgot. Oh, It was nice conversation with you. Nice to meet you. Okay.